Why is everybody wanting to move to this South Lubbock neighborhood? Well, I'll tell you why here in this video today. I'm going to take you around in this beautiful South Lubbock neighborhood, and it is truly in the heart of South Lubbock, conveniently located, but also tucked a little bit back further away where you will not hear the hustle and bustle of the new highway construction. And we're going to get after it right now. Hey, if this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in Lubbock, Texas, well, then be sure to tap that bell, hit that subscribe button so that you can be the first to know about all things happening in Lubbock, Texas. I get calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you looking to make their move to Lubbock, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days or even 9 months, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call in the link in the description, and I'd be happy to meet you and your family and help you make a smooth transition into the Lubbock area. So as I mentioned, I am taking you around to this, one of the newest neighborhoods here in South Lubbock that I don't think gets enough credit. So right now I am in Stratford Pointe. So Stratford Pointe originally started construction in 2016. And ever since then, it has been growing and booming ever since. It is directly south Quaker and directly across Quaker from Kelsey Park. So it's it's very close to Quaker and everything off of Quaker. You have H-E-B off of Quaker. You have a lot of restaurants, family restaurants that you can go to. Las Spacious is off Quaker. There's also a lot of, there's neighborhood F&B. There's the Reserve, lots of fun brunch places with the fam. And then also too, the grocery stores, there's boutiques, lots of shopping. Love the boutiques off there. And then there are workout places like Club Pilates is right off Quaker. And so really, there's a lot happening off of Quaker. And then also we're just south of 1585 or 130th Street, and that's the new loop. So the new loop will be conveniently located whenever that's finished one day. But you are tucked a little bit back in to where you do not really hear a lot of that construction that's going on. And this neighborhood is not as large as Kelsey Park right now. And so it's pretty quiet. As you can see right now, I am walking around this beautiful walking trail. And it has little fake swans kind of scattered throughout, which I think is so cute. And then the streets that I'm walking on right now are a lot of new construction. All of these homes are brand new build, new construction homes. And so if you are wanting a beautiful view with a new construction home, this little area right here would definitely be one to check out. You really don't feel like you're in Lubbock too much. I mean, it's really pretty here, and it's really windy. So I'm sorry if it's a little windy today and a little cold. But anyway, so this neighborhood, like I said, was built in 2016, and they are in currently phase 6 of the neighborhood, with plans to continue to expand. So you are going to be able to find older homes into newer homes. The median price of this neighborhood is going to be around $500,000, with homes ranging from around $400,000 to that were built, earlier on in the 2016 in the phase 1, 2017, and then up to the $800,000 that are being built today. And so you definitely have a wide range of houses. 2016, if you think about it, isn't too old, but if you are looking for maybe a newish home, you don't want to wait for a new construction home to be built, you can find that here, but still have the amenities that this neighborhood has to offer. Or you can wait for a new construction home, and the neighborhood is not being built by one builder, which I think is something to note because they don't all look the same. They all look different. They're all built by different builders, and you're going to have a mix of single story and 2-story, ranch style, stucco, brick. I mean, really anything that you want, you can create in this neighborhood. I will mention that there is an annual HOA of $375 a year. Note that I said a year, it's not a month. And so that will be annually that you will have to pay in dues. But other than that, there are no additional fees. I also wanted to mention that this neighborhood in 2025 in the Spring Parade of Homes will be hosted in this neighborhood in Stratford Pointe. We are also located in Cooper ISD. So if you're wanting to be in Cooper ISD and south of town, definitely one to check out. And a lot of the homes are going to be around 2,100 square feet to around 3,500 square feet in that range. So if you're looking for something in the middle of the road, 4-bedroom, 3-car garage, there are lots of homes with 3-car garages or 2-car garage. You should be able to find that here. Or if you want to build a house with a 3-car garage, the lot size should be big enough for you to do that, depending on the size of house that you are looking for. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take you inside to one of the homes that just got listed. And that way you can see the caliber of homes that the builder, that this particular builder is building. And then also too, show you around what a vacant new construction home would look like with the view of this beautiful home. So let's get started. Welcome in. Okay, so we've escaped the weather, extreme wind from the outside. It is a gorgeous day though, so beautiful. Anyway, and now we are inside of this gorgeous home directly across from the park. I mean, you really cannot get much better than that view with all this natural light flooding in. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you as soon as we walk in. So you have a beautiful chandelier and this little foyer right here, that right when you walk in, and then you'll have the dining area into the living and into the kitchen. And then to my right, you'll also have a guest bath and a guest room, little ensuite action going on, vaulted ceilings, again with the natural light coming in from the windows. And then your guest bathroom. Nothing too fancy off of here, but it is nice to have a little ensuite if you are looking for a little privacy, teenage kids or mother-in-law, father-in-law suite. Okay, this dining area, I mean, look at all this light. I can't stop talking about all this light that's coming in. It's gorgeous, this beautiful light fixture. And then you'll walk into the kitchen. And this kitchen not only has one stove, but it has two, and the second one is actually hidden, which is a nice little feature. So we're coming up on Thanksgiving, so 2 stoves is what you're looking for. This is it. So this island also is massive with the quartz countertops and the brass finishes all throughout. And I love that it's also gas cafe range, because it is kind of hard to find gas sometimes here in Lubbock. And the counter and the cabinets go all the way to the ceiling, which you know I love. I love the hood vent matches the beams across there, along with the mantle and then the floating shelves on either side. So it all ties into one cohesive space, which I absolutely love. When this flooring, actually, you could go gray, you could go brown. It looks a little bit darker in the video, but it is a really light brown with some flecks of gray. So it really could tie in with whatever furniture you have. And then now we're gonna go back and see what's going on in this area of the house. So this house is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. This is a 1-bedroom that leads into a Jack and Jill. And I'm gonna come back to that in a second, but look at this kitchen nook in the back. You have this pantry with all of the storage, and then you have all this storage on this side, and then here is the hidden second oven with the Advanium here. I mean, how cool is this little chef's kitchen in the back? Okay, so now we're gonna go back here. So like I said, it's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage. Let me take a look at these closets, because they do have built-ins on either side. So there's plenty of room in these closets. You don't necessarily have to put a dresser in here, but you could, because this room is big enough. Again, with the vaulted ceilings and the exposed beam. And we're coming in to the bathroom. Has 1 shower, 1 toilet, 2 separate vanities, which I love. And then going into the second room. So this one doesn't have the vaulted ceiling in this room, but it still is a good sized, generous room. And it does still have the matching closet like the other room had. So I love the herringbone tile right here. I mean, how pretty is that? It's actually a stone, which I love. And then we come back into the kitchen and then on the other side of this pantry. So on this side, you'll have this ginormous laundry room, which is so beautiful. And I love the white faucet. I haven't really seen a white faucet in the laundry room before, and I think that's a cute little touch. And then you also have another closet. You could use it as a pantry, linen closet, just decoration closets, a stuff closet. And then you have your little hanging nooks here, hanging rods, all of your built-ins here. And then of course, in the third car garage, let me turn that on. This is actually just the 2 cars for now, and then I'll show you the third car. Okay, so we come back out, come back in here, and this is a little half bath right off of the garage entryway, and then into this. Oops, actually, turn the light off. Going back into here. Okay, so now look at the covered patio. So the third car is detached, which is pretty awesome, especially if you don't need the third car, and maybe you want it as a workout room or a hangout spot, a trophy room, man cave, whatever. You use it for that. Okay, so we walk into this side of the house. This is the master suite. So you have the door leading out to the exterior right here, and then the vaulted ceiling again with the beam. This huge room lets in the light from this side of the house. Okay, now going into the ensuite. I love the counter height here and the quartz countertops, all the built-ins down low. And then you have the beautiful shower, again with the gold and brass finishes, really gold. And then you have the beautiful closet. I mean, there are hanging rods galore. There is built-ins galore. It is so great. You can put your jewelry here, men, women. And so this is a large closet. Then we'll head back this way. So this house is a little over 3,100 square feet. It is listed currently at $745,000. That's what you can get for $745,000 here in Lubbock as a brand new construction across from the park here in Stratford Pointe with the extra third car garage. And you can see if you wanted to, I guess we can go out there for a second. So if you wanted to, you could put a pool. If you wanted a small little pool to just get your feet wet, it does come pretty far this way. So, I mean, you could totally add a pool right here and still have grass space here. And then you could do your built-in bar area, grill area, outdoor kitchen, what have you, all in this area. So if you have any questions about this specific home or about this neighborhood in general, I'd love to send you the list of currently available homes here in Stratford Pointe. That way you can get a feel for what is available in your budget. And again, if you're wanting a new construction or if you're wanting an existing construction, and we could make that happen here in Stratford. So if you have any questions about this house, leave a comment below. And as always, be sure to like this video and subscribe so that you can be the first to know about all things happening here in Lubbock, Texas. And until next time, we'll see you around.